Katie.
Where's the fire in the Indian feathers?
I don't know. Go on Facebook though.
I gotta watch it first. Mom, can you text Annie and tell her I can't come over tonight? My phone's dead and she's just not happy. I don't know. She said she's got a lot in her mind. She's kind of stressed. You don't sound so good either. Brian gonna fall asleep during Jackass this time? You don't know. Well, if he does, give him a little whack with a magazine. He'll wake up for like 5 minutes.
Caitlin, shut up.
Okay. Bye. I'll see you soon. Yeah. Love you. Bye. Not in front of the laptop, please. I do not like looking over it. You see that? Okay, let's see if I got the one that I got another one for you.